Oh my god. I don't know why these Chevys just design like this and how much freaking dirt accumulates in there. They all kind of look the same, but this one looks higher and that one looks lower, and that's the piston that's bad. So I'm hoping that's good news. All right, we got to it. Why is there piss coolant there? I see a little marks over there, but I really don't see no major damage. I'm gonna measure it and all that stuff. And yeah, I don't see this broken. It looks a little raised. I'm gonna double check.